Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare mint versus purple slime. We will explore the distinct characteristics of each, helping you decide which one best suits your preferences. We will delve into their unique scents, vibrant colors, and satisfying textures. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of what makes each slime special, allowing you to make an informed choice for your next slime adventure. Mint slime is known for its incredibly refreshing qualities. It typically incorporates essential oils like peppermint, giving it a distinct, cool aroma. The vibrant green color is visually appealing, often resembling fresh mint leaves. Its texture can feel slightly cool to the touch, providing a unique sensory experience. Many users find the invigorating scent helps to calm and focus their minds during play. Purple slime often brings a delightful sweetness to the table. Its scent commonly includes notes of grape, various berries, or even calming lavender, offering a pleasant aromatic experience. The color spectrum for purple slime is vast, from a gentle lilac to a rich, deep violet. Texturally, it is frequently described as incredibly soft and wonderfully stretchy, making it a joy to pull and squish. Deciding which slime is better truly comes down to your personal preferences. If you enjoy a crisp, cool, and invigorating sensation with a fresh aroma, mint slime is likely your top choice. However, if you prefer a sweet, fruity, or calming scent paired with a soft, stretchy texture, then purple slime will probably be more appealing. Both offer unique and enjoyable play experiences.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.